Hello everybody, welcome to another video on music theory for absolute beginners. So until now we have learned about the major scales. So I am basically sticking to one type of scale at a time, which in itself is quite extensive, and then going on to the next set of scales. So in the last two videos we have seen how to derive the notes of the major scale, correct? Right. Today we will go to the next type of scale called as the minor scale. Okay. So just like if you remember how it was with the chords, the major chord sounded happy and the minor chords sounded a little bit sad. Similarly, the minor scale is kind of a sadder version of the scale, in the sense, if you can think of songs or tunes which sound a little sadder, that is usually it comes, the notes of the song come in the minor scale. Okay, it is not a absolute rule, and there is nothing absolute, but by and large that is how it sounds. Alright, so again I go back to our age old keyboard. Okay, so we started off with the major scale, that is C major scale, that is the natural scale. Okay, why do we go time and again back to this scale is because this is the most important scale, and then from there on we have derived all the other scales, and also to derive the minor scale we need to know the major scales. Okay, so it is something called as the scales being relative. Okay, so if we write the notes of the major scale, it is C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. Correct? This was the C major scale. Alright. So to derive the relative minor, okay, what we need to do is we need to start the same scale, okay, from the sixth note of the scale. So if we count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So the sixth note is A. Alright. So what we do is we start the new scale from the sixth note and use the same notes of the relative major. Alright. So this becomes the A minor scale. Okay. So if you can play the A minor scale, it will be. So if you hear the sound of this, the intervals between the notes is different from this. Correct? The notes used are the same, but the feel of the notes is different, right? So that is why, even though the set of notes are the same, okay, the C major scale and A minor are called as relative. So the relative minor scale of C major scale is A minor. Okay. So similarly we can go to the next major scale. So basically, how do you derive the minor scales now? You go to the sixth note of the major scale. A much more simpler way to find out the relative minor is you go 3 semitones below the first note. Okay, I'm just giving you different ways to come to the minor scale. So if you take the C note, you go down 3 semitones, 1, 2, 3. So that is A. Correct. So to find out which is a relative minor of one particular major scale, we just have to go 3 semitones down the major scale. Speaking the other way, if you have a minor scale, if you want to find out the relative major, right, you go 3 semitones up. So from A minor, 1, 2, 3. Okay, see. I'll give you one more example. Consider the 1 sharp scale. Okay. So what is a 1 sharp scale? Now you have to be very clear about knowing which is the 1 sharp scale, 2 sharp scale. I'll come to another video called the circle of fifths, probably in the next video, where I'll tell you how to remember these different scales. Okay, 1 sharp scale is nothing but the G scale, right? The G major scale. So G major scale will be right. Remember the differences, the intervals. It will be G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. Okay. So the formula for that was tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Okay, this was the formula for the major scale. So again, to find out the relative minor of this major scale, 2 ways to do it. Count 6 notes above. Okay, G, A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, 6th note. Or from G you go 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. 3 semitones. That will be the E mount. Okay, so the relative minor of the G major scale will be E minor. Right. So the important thing what you have to remember when you play the minor is that the relative minor to the major is that you always carry the changes in the notes along with that major scale. Example, in the C major scale all were natural notes, so you didn't have any problem as such. Whereas in the G major scale you have an F sharp. Correct? So if you want to play the E minor, you have to take this as F sharp. Then G, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay? So if you again play E minor, it will be okay. So this will be the E minor. Now you have to remember these two minors are the natural minor scales. Okay. So what I want you to do is again derive the other minor scales. So if you remember, the first natural scale was the C scale, then the 1 sharp was G scale, 2 sharp was D scale, 3 sharp was A scale. I'll give you one more example for the minor scale. So consider the D major scale. Okay, so the relative minor of D major would be, again you'll have to calculate, right? So 2 black keys, 1 white to the left, that will be C, this will be D, right? So you count 3 steps back, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the B note. So if you want to play the relative minor of D major, it will be B minor. Okay, right. So this is 1 sharp, this is 2 sharp, right? So what are the 2 sharps in D major scale? It will be F sharp and C sharp. So you should remember, you have to take these 2 sharps in your minor scale. So it will be B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. Okay. So this is how you derive the minor scales. I'll give you one more example. We'll just try out one of the flat scales. One of the flat scales will be the F major scale, right? F major is the 1 flat, correct? So again, which is the flat? B flat. Go back to your lesson on flat scales and you can know this. Again, the relative minor will be, go 3 steps back from F, 1, 2, 3, it will be D. Okay, so it will be D minor. So it will be D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C and D. Okay, it's quite clear now. So I have tried to, in this class we have learned the natural minor scales and how to derive them from their corresponding or the relative major scale. In the next class we will learn about harmonic minor and the melodic minor. Okay, thank you for watching this video.